In this tutorial, I'll show and explain how to paint a portrait of a girl's face filling a 40 by 50 canvas. Actually no, the canvas size is 50 by 60. Here I am starting the work with acrylics. Of course, oil paint would also work, but I like acrylics because they dry quickly and you can use quite a lot of them. It mixes with water. Well, lately I've been working exactly like this, starting my work with acrylics. As you can see, the main colors are black, blue, red, yellow, and white. So, as usual, I first outline our composition. Here we have black hair. They go from the bottom, and with one brush I outline the hair, black, and with another brush, a construction one, I outline the face. Like this, but black and more defined. I decided to use it right away, to sketch and cover the canvas pretty loosely, as usual. The main task is to cover the whole canvas, and then start adding details and finding the volumes. That's what I'm doing now. So, look, with one color I'm breaking down the face into parts a little bit, but I'm trying not to draw it with lines. I'm trying to build it up with spots. Here I've outlined the lip. Like this. I add a bit of the nose. In general, I think the logic here is clear, and I'm just trying to figure out the proportions with this one color. I've adjusted the shapes a little bit. Look, the lips, I'm going to move them now, make the face a bit wider, and I'll tell you a trick I used here, which I sometimes use myself. Look, the lips are slightly adjusted now. I've just adjusted the width of the face a little bit. What do I do to figure out whether I made a mistake or not? At this stage, it's already becoming quite clear. So, the drawing. I start adding shades, and these are usually cool ones because at first I work with warm tones. So I add cool tones on top, and then I add warm bright ones too, but at first I dilute it with cool tones. These are green, blue, and violet, the main ones. Let's move on to the eyes. Here I filmed it close up on purpose so that everything would be visible. And I'll leave you alone. I wish you creative success. And see you soon.